We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade as what we expected the price drop. And when the price was with this move, we mentioned we can look for price to drop some more. But no one see what's the next. I just removed this one. No one see what's the next. Okay. But the only thing is, as we can see, the price almost near to the previous low, almost to break this correction. But the only thing was this shadow. All right. But anyway, we don't need to really care about that. The only thing is we want to see whether we can look for reversal or not. Because right now we're looking at this correction. Okay. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. But before that, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. Okay. As we can see based on daily chart, we want to see whether we can consider this one as a reversal and this is a correction or not. Because the way it's reversing is quite corrective. Maybe if I move to forward chart, it will be more clear. All right. The only things I need to highlight here. All right. If we consider this is the start of the up move and this is the first correction and following by the internal one, this one have turned to deeper move. Then from there we can look for the flat. Then any reversal from there we can look for buy. Just make it very simple how we can look at this. We are not going into the details. All right. That's why what we get here, the best thing is if the price drop and retest the previous low, because at that time we can confirm this move is finished. And we can look at this one as a correction. Okay. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. We're talking about the technically and the best possibility. We want this one turn to a deeper move. Okay. Then what I want to say is that means there is a possibility for the price even reverse. This one turn to internal correction and the price drop. Then what I want to say is that if we move to 1 hour chart, if we get any reversal from here, we should have the proper management. Because the possibility, I mean, we cannot confirm this is the one is going to retest the top. The only things I can highlight here, if we get any trade setup for buy from here, we can take it and we're looking for the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, or even we get the sharp move, but after that we see start to correct, we should know this one is still can turn to bigger correction in relative to this, and the price can give us one more drop. Okay, why we want to take the trade? Because if we put our stop loss below this, or even here, if the price continue and the break the top, mostly we put our stop loss below this. In terms of the risk and reward, at least can give us 1 to 1. All right, but it depends on the traders. Anyway, we're looking for buy. If we get any trade setup for buy from here, we will take it. We just follow it. If we need to see the continuation as a sharp move, as I explained, and in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.